Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Modern Oasis. Light-filled living room with a tropical welcome. Picture yourself unwinding in a stylish haven that seamlessly blends modern design with a touch of the tropics. This single-story wooden house boasts a light-filled living room that opens onto a vibrant tropical garden, creating a sense of connection to nature and an extension of your living space. Warm wood and clean lines. The walls are clad in warm wood paneling, stained in a natural or light brown tone. This creates a sense of warmth and complements the lush greenery of the tropical garden outside. Clean lines define the architecture, with minimalist furniture and decor reflecting the modern aesthetic. Light and airy atmosphere. Large windows strategically placed on two or more walls bathe the living room in natural light. Consider floor-to-ceiling windows on a wall facing the garden to create a seamless connection to the outdoors and blur the lines between inside and outside. Light-colored furniture and flooring further enhance the feeling of openness and airiness. Tropical accents. Subtle pops of color from woven baskets, throw pillows with tropical flora patterns, or artwork featuring local plants add a touch of the tropics without overwhelming the modern aesthetic. Indoor-outdoor connection. Sliding glass doors seamlessly connect the living room to a spacious deck or patio. Perfect for indoor-outdoor living. Imagine relaxing on the patio surrounded by lush greenery, enjoying the gentle breeze and the vibrant colors of the tropical garden. Open floor plan, optional. An open floor plan allows for a more spacious feel and encourages the flow of natural light throughout the living room. Define designated areas for living, dining, and even a workspace, if needed, with furniture placement and area rugs. Modern touches, sleek coffee tables, minimalist lighting fixtures, and contemporary artwork complete the modern look. Consider incorporating natural materials like woven wood lampshades or a textured sisal rug to add a touch of warmth. Sustainability features, optional. Consider incorporating recycled wood for the paneling or sustainable bamboo furniture options. Large windows positioned strategically can maximize natural light and ventilation. Reducing reliance on artificial lighting and cooling systems. Tropical garden view. From the comfort of your modern living room, you can enjoy the vibrant colors and calming presence of the tropical garden outside. Lush greenery, flowering plants, and strategically placed walkways create a personal oasis just beyond your doorstep. Overall appeal. This modern living room design is a perfect example of how to create a stylish and functional space that embraces the beauty of the outdoors. The warm wood tones, clean lines, and subtle tropical accents create a calming environment, while the large windows and seamless connection to the garden invite nature in. There are several compelling reasons to design a small, modern, single-story wooden living room with a tropical garden in front of the house. Connection to nature and tropical bliss. Tropical oasis. The vibrant tropical garden serves as an extension of your living space, offering a constant connection to nature, lush greenery, and a touch of paradise right outside your door. Natural light and fresh air. Large windows facing the garden maximize natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Strategic placement of windows can encourage natural ventilation, reducing reliance on artificial lighting and air conditioning. Stress reduction and well-being. Studies show that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. A tropical garden is a constant reminder to slow down and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Modern design and functionality. Open and spacious feel. A single-story layout with an open floor plan maximizes space in a smaller living room. The connection to the garden visually expands the space, creating a sense of openness and airiness. Clean lines and modern aesthetic. The combination of warm wood paneling, clean lines, and minimalist furniture creates a stylish and timeless. Modern design, sustainable materials. Wood is a renewable resource, making it a more eco-friendly choice compared to traditional building materials. Consider using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood for the paneling, light, tropical touches, and personalization. Natural light and colors. Large windows and light-colored furniture enhance the feeling of openness and allow the vibrant colors of the garden to peek inside. Tropical accents. Subtle pops of color through throw pillows, artwork, or woven furniture add a touch of the tropics without overwhelming the modern aesthetic. This allows you to personalize the space and reflect your love for a tropical vibe. Low-maintenance design. While the tropical garden offers an abundance of nature, opting for low-maintenance plants minimizes upkeep and allows you to focus on enjoying your serene haven. Cost-effectiveness, optional, smaller footprint. A single-story design generally requires less building material compared to a multi-story house, potentially reducing construction costs. Natural cooling. The strategic placement of windows and the cooling effect of the tropical garden can help minimize reliance on air conditioning, reducing energy bills. Overall appeal. This design approach combines modern functionality with the beauty of nature. The tropical garden invites the outdoors in, creating a calming and stylish living space perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. It offers a unique and personalized way to connect with nature and create your own modern tropical oasis. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your modern tropical haven. A small, single-story wooden living room seamlessly connected to a vibrant tropical garden. 1. Define your needs and budget. Number of occupants. Consider how many people will be using the living room and their needs. Lifestyle. Think about how you'll use the space. Do you need a dedicated space for entertaining or a quiet workspace? Budget. Determine your budget for construction, materials, furniture, landscaping, and appliances. 2. Research and inspiration. Modern living rooms. Search online for https www.modernlivingroomdesigns on househouse.com or https www.architecturaldigest.com. Story Modern living room on Architectural Digest. Look for designs that resonate with your style and consider incorporating elements you love, especially those with large windows and a connection to nature. Tropical gardens. Research plants suitable for your climate zone and that thrive in containers or raised beds. Explore https www.balconygardenweb.com for tropical container gardening inspiration. 3. Consider hiring an architect or designer. Optional. An architect can translate your vision into a functional and beautiful modern living space, especially if you have a complex layout or specific needs. A designer can help you select furniture and decor that complements both the modern aesthetic and the tropical accents. 4. Draft a basic floor plan. Sketch a layout considering the placement of windows, doors, furniture, including a designated area for relaxing and enjoying the garden view, and an open floor plan, optional. Factor in the location of the entrance and how it connects to the garden. 5. Design your tropical oasis. Measure your front yard space and plan the layout of your tropical garden. Choose plants that thrive in containers or raised beds with varying heights and textures for visual interest. Consider incorporating a small water feature for a touch of tranquility. 6. Maximize natural light and ventilation. Position large windows strategically on walls facing the garden to maximize natural light and create a seamless connection to the outdoors. Consider skylights for additional light if needed. Research passive cooling techniques, such as strategically placed windows and overhangs, to promote natural ventilation and minimize reliance on air conditioning. 7. Material selection. Choose a type of wood suitable for your climate and budget, considering weather resistance for the exterior. Explore options for sustainably sourced wood for the paneling. Research flooring options that complement the warm wood tones and modern aesthetic. 8. Navigate building codes and permits. Consult with your local building department to understand any regulations for construction and landscaping in your area. 9. Embrace the modern look. Choose minimalist furniture with clean lines in neutral tones. Consider incorporating natural materials like woven wood chairs or a sisal rug to add warmth and texture. Modern lighting fixtures can enhance the overall look. 10. Personalize with tropical touches. Introduce pops of color through throw pillows, artwork featuring local flora, or a woven basket for a subtle tropical accent. Choose plants for your garden that complement the color scheme and style of your living room. 11. Finalize your design and start building. Once you have a finalized plan, budget, materials selected, and permits in order, start construction on your modern tropical haven. Bonus tip: consider incorporating energy-efficient appliances, water-saving fixtures, and LED lighting to create a more sustainable and eco-friendly home. Remember, this is a starting point. Adapt it to your specific needs and preferences. With careful planning and creativity, you can design a modern wooden living room that seamlessly connects to a vibrant tropical garden, creating a unique and stylish space that fosters a connection with nature and a sense of serenity. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.